Alright, you guys. So I'm brushing up my hair. I combed it yesterday, but I never wash it. Cause I know some mud at my ear. It curly up on it too curly. It now lay down so flat. So I'm just going to moisturize my face. And my face dry. And I just figured I would talk to you guys. I've been doing a lot of music, a lot of voiceovers. That's because I've been trying to kind of measure my content, what I put out there, not to say things that I don't want to reveal too early. But I feel like this video, like I'm just a come here, I just want to talk to you about like a mental health check one, and yeah, just piggybacking off of that video that I made last night, well, this morning. So I can't sleep at all. It is difficult for me to fall asleep. Sometimes my eyes are swollen. I have been crying. I am going through a lot of things that I have not been making public at all. And it's just like going through them alone. It has had me in a vulnerable place for a while, isn't it? Some new things are happening in my life that it's just really hitting me that wow, it's just me as like a single mother. It's just me, isn't it? So yeah, and then the classes now, oh gosh, that's giving me a little bit of anxiety. I don't know how to make this even. Yeah, like I have a little bit of anxiety surrounding the classes. And I think I want to explain that aspect of the classes. So I'm only going to be doing 10 students per course, and each course is 2 days. So it's just 10 students for those 2 days, and they'll be certified in those 2 days, isn't it? Then after that, then the other 10 for the other location, and so on and so forth. That's how I'm going to be doing it. One, I'm still very aware that COVID is still a real thing, so I figured that would have been a little bit safer. And then I was thinking just about making it convenient for me. So rather than praying to God I get 30 people for one day, if I break it up, I have more of a possibility of getting 30 people. And because you guys are my peeps, well, not my peeps, but I've been thinking, if you guys have like friends, say you have like 2 or 3 more friends or 4 more friends who want to do the makeup but them can't come to the $4.95, I can easily give you guys an additional $100 off if them other people there secure. So you and your 3 other friends, 4 other friends, $3.95, isn't it? So and that's one, me making it affordable, knowing that things aren't quite affordable just now, but knowing that it is an investment. I remember when I had to pay $5,000 for my courses, and I was being trained by Buntricia. So I'm trained to certify, and I'm trained to apply the makeup itself, the application and the certification. That's what my certificate is in. And I was trained locally here in Jamaica by the Face Place, and then I was trained internationally in Las Vegas for both application and for education by Buntricia Bastion. So yeah, and just coming back to YouTube and kind of falling in love with like colored brows and stuff like that, it has allowed me to just kind of fall in love with makeup, and I'm like, I want to do this. And then from a mental health perspective, remember this was I did when I was married, isn't it? And it was just difficult for me to do it because in my mind I was like, I can't this by myself, I'm not good with money, I can't this by myself. So I've had to silence and quiet a lot of demons just in this process alone, isn't it? And it has not yet begun. So everything I'm doing is just complete faith in God, and just remembering that He has not brought me this far just to leave me. And remember that even if I don't meet my quota, then His will was done. Like, that's the whole point. You see me? Even, and this is another event that I've been talking to God about. Praying, talking is the same thing, but I'm going to say talking. that I've been talking to God about is the Fix Your Currencies event, because what I'm thinking is for you to be an entrepreneur in every single aspect of the world. I want you to be more, if something now work well on your side, you know how to fix it. So I'll be doing training as well on how to build your websites, how to become a web developer if you want to earn an additional 500,000 US per month, and that is just you, isn't it? And remember, this is something that I can do and that I taught myself by watching YouTube videos, which you can do by yourself for free, but it's something that I've decided to include, and I want to do the first Fix Your Currencies event in Jamaica. And I'm thinking about that event to be in the summer, isn't it? Because I want to guys' websites and everything to be up for Black Friday, Christmas. I want to make money for 2023. So if you can narrow me for that, and if you have other small businesses, if you have your friend or one artist or a little Etsy store or whatever, rather than putting it on Amazon or another store that gives somebody else the money, that lines somebody else's pocket, that has somebody else's business on the algorithm. Put your own business out there, and that's the whole premise behind Fix Your Currencies, and that's why it's really in my heart to do. But for some reason, I cannot put the pen to paper. I can't execute it mentally. I can't write it down. I can't create the flyers. Oh, there's so much back and forth. My music should be coming out. I need to make some purchases. Yes, and I'll be doing a music video. It'll be here on my channel. I have a lot of stuff and everything. We're having a sale for POMIFITNESS. We're having a sale right now. It is 7,500 Jamaican dollars, and it's coming from 8,500, and it is 45 US dollars, and it is coming from 55 US dollars. And for those of you who order on my website as told by lyric.com, thank you very much. I appreciate you so much. If it is that you want to support me, you want to donate, anything like that, buy a lash. As soon as the lashes come in, I'm going to let you guys know. And of course, it'll be a vlog, so you guys are going to know. So you guys are going to see the styles, and of course, I'll be doing tutorials on them. So my looks will be more lash focused, lash oriented, you know. So yeah, oh my goodness, it's just a lot, and then I can't really speak on everything that I'm doing because I'm literally being watched, you know what I mean? So being watched for my ideas, because I do see the people out there who, you know, I've spoken to, and they're executing ideas that I just have to keep shit to myself, isn't it? And the thing is, with my mental health, I have to stay busy. If I don't, then that's why I told you guys this. That's why I endeavored to film for the entire month this month, because my depression will completely immobilize me, and I don't want that anymore. It's 2023. I've been through some rough shit I have not said out loud, shit that I've not said to anyone, that I've just had to go through by myself, me and God, isn't it? And taking my mental health into deep consideration is one of them. It's just me and God. I genuinely have trust issues, and I feel like when I go to a therapist, I'm not getting anything, and I can't figure out what's going on by myself, and that's what I don't like. And that's why, to me, it is so pointless. Because anytime I'm depressed, the only thing that makes me feel better is when I talk to God. And I personally don't see anything wrong with that. And for those of us, you know, who have done therapy, it's okay to have Jesus and a therapist. It's okay to have Jesus and a therapist. I'm not saying don't. It is okay. But I'm saying for me, some of us have been through some really traumatic situations where God understands, isn't it? So if you have trust issues and God is the root of your trust issue, maybe the church figure up in a way, He understands, and you need a therapist and you can't talk to Him, and He gets that. He allows that. Isn't it? For me, I can't do that because I have trust issues, and He gets that and He allows that. So He makes Himself available for me. And that, again, it speaks to another part of my mental health that I didn't even know warranted attention, because he just cares so much, like holistically.
Guys.
I'm gonna pretend talk in Spanish. Right, do not take my.
Found this treasure chest, and I'm pretty sure that Thanos has powerful brothers in here, so I'm gonna take it. That's a good idea. Are you sure it's in there? See you soon, boss. Hey, are you sure it's in there?
I love a girl that can cook.
Sure.
I love girl I love when the pussy eat.
Yeah. I like them something there now.
You know the pussy eat? I like it.
Somebody there the one you like, one man used to do that better to me used to do. I like it. So if you cock it now, my
own big and stiff, you know.
Oh.
But I love eat pussy.
Oh.
I never lie. My own big and stiff.
Yeah.
But I love eat pussy, I never lie.
So you know me a gangster, or whether peg me as a gangster.
No, you just look like a gangster girl. You look like a roots girl. Yeah man, I like your look man. God no.
When you see me put on makeup and dress up and come out, you not recognize me.
No, I
You not recognize me. Like you think me is a rich girl. Walk, I look different man. I'm put on things associated woman.
You look good.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
What do you look like?
Oh.
I don't know if you're not Olympic. You remember the Olympic? You remember the girl who run through what did they? What jumped the hurdle?
Give me her name.
Mega.
Oh yeah.
Anybody out there like that?
Gosh, no, I haven't. Me used to look at when I was bigger up. Me used to look at Miss Kitty, and then me used to my vibe is more like Miss Kitty. That me hear a lot.
Oh, yeah. Like mega. I don't know what's her name. What she do? She run to Jamaica. Looks good.
Yeah. And the shot.
Yes.
Yeah.
Look good.
When this happens. I'm nervous again, but my cousins, and just how everything just hinges on me, like whether I fail, whether it's successful, like everything is on me. The light is so bright, but I wanted to record because this has been happening a lot where I'm not really sleeping. So. Good morning, guys. I've been trying for 2 days to transfer files to my phone for me to edit for today's video, which is the 19th or the 18th. I don't know, but it's the 10th of something that I'm late for, and I've been trying to do it, but I have been unable to. So nothing more than I have to include a part of the vlog day, like for a regular vlog. So that's gonna be like it's going to be included in this vlog. So instead of it being like a standalone video, I'm going to have to try and get like vlog footage. The thing is, I have makeup to do today, and I wanted to vlog it. I have 2 clients. One has given it the go ahead to record. Now my only issue is I have to use my phone again, I'm running into the same issue of not being able to get the files on my phone, and it's because when I record, because I was talking, I lost track of time, and the recording went up to like 4 minutes for these last 2 videos, and these 2 4-minute videos will not for the life of me just transfer, because I filmed from my phone, then I airdrop it. So, and things like this, it would annoy me, frustrate me, as it should, you know. And I tell you guys, whenever I make up my mind to do something like this, where I have to be creating content, something always happens that would either delay it or stop it or prevent it, or excuse me, there's always some hindrance. So me recognizing that, I say no, I'm not gonna just film. And I know that once I get like my camera, like my more traditional camera that I can film, I'm sorry, it's going to end. Hold on, it's gonna upset me. So I'm going to heat up my coffee, then put on some more coffee, and continue working. Still trying to see if I can get those two 4-minute videos off this phone to my laptop. I've been trying for 2 days. It's going to be the third day. If that doesn't work, I just delete those files, get that off my phone so I can have space and just record today. So today I'm going to be doing a hair and makeup tutorial again, and hopefully I can vlog it. Hopefully I can vlog today. I'm not really strapped for content, but I just want to get this stuff out and ready for you guys, because I've been working and I wanted to show that I've been doing work. Alright, so this is the end of the vlog. I was supposed to film this entire look today, but I was trying to transfer the files where I did this hair look, and then I actually wrapped my hair. But I was filming, like, I was supposed to film a full video with like hair and makeup. It didn't work, because while filming, when I finished filming my hair and while transferring the files, I had to start my makeup because I have to head to a job, and it just like vlogging now is really taking a toll on me. So I'm just trying to push through. Sorry. Yeah, so we're pushing through. Filming for tomorrow, day 20. Hopefully I have something, but this video is going up today, the 19th. So yep.